Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sonic versus Mario. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with Sonic's nose. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then up at a point. We're going to add in a small highlight. So we're going to draw in an oval on the side, and then we're just going to color in the nose black. Let's draw in the mouth. Stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this line up, down, back up, and over. And then we're just going to round out the edge, curving this back around and then through underneath. Closing off the mouth, we're going to have this frowning down, so we're going to curve that through on a diagonal. Let's draw in the eyes. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up, down, and through towards the top. And then on the right-hand side, starting back on that line, curving this up, round, and then in towards the top of the nose. Let's draw in the pupil. So on the left-hand side, let's draw in an oval. We're going to move across on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now let's add in a highlight. So right in the middle here, we're going to draw in another oval. We'll do the same on the right, further across towards the right-hand side. Let's color in our pupils black now. Let's step across on the right. We're going to curve this line around and then down. Let's close off the back of the head. So right on the top here, we're going to curve this line over and across. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line down and in. Again, from this line, curving this over and out. And then again, from that point, just curving this around and through towards the middle. Now from that point again, we're going to curve this around and down. And then again, we're just going to arch this line through towards the mouth. Let's draw in Sonic's ear. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes up towards the top. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back down on the right, ending that at the same height. In the middle, let's draw in a small triangle. So we're going to curve that line over. And then we're just going to follow that pattern with two curved lines coming in towards the center. Let's draw in the ear behind on the right. So we're going to curve this line out. And then again, from this point, bringing this back down and in. Let's come down for the arm here. So we're going to step over on the left, curving this around and in. Moving down, we're going to curve this line up and down for the wrist. Let's close off the arm, starting back on the top, rounding that out, curving that up and in towards that wrist. And now let's draw in the hand. So we're going to start on this line here, curving this around and in for the thumb. Moving back in, we're going to curve this around and through. Move down in the center, curving that over. And then again, one more time, just curving this around and then back up in the corner. Let's move underneath here, curving this line out and then back in towards the arm. Let's close off the torso. So we're just going to round this out, curving that in towards the hand. And then we're going to step up, curving that across towards the chin. Let's draw on the right arm coming out. So we're going to draw in two small diagonal lines coming through. For the wrist, we're just going to arch this around and across. Let's draw on the thumb, so stepping down, we're going to curve this around, back up. Now for the pinky, we're just going to curve this around and in. For the center finger, we're just going to curve that line across. And then moving in on the top, we're just going to round that out, curving this around, and then back in that corner. Let's draw in Sonic's legs now. So for the back leg, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. We're going to close that off with a curved line on the bottom. Stepping in, we're going to round that out, curving that in on both sides. And then again, moving down again, let's replicate that, curving that around and back through. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve that down. Let's do the same on the right, ending that at the same height. And now from here, let's close that off with a curved line from left to right. Let's move over on the right. So we're going to curve this around and down, moving in towards the top, replicating that. And now we're going to close that off with a curved line, moving in for the ankle, curving that around and through towards the middle on both sides. And then again, rounding that out, curving that over and through on the side. On the back here, let's curve that down. On the front, on the right, we're going to curve that down as well. And then from here, we're going to curve this line across, joining that at a point. Stepping in, we're going to curve this line up. And then moving over again, let's replicate that, bringing that in towards the ankle. Let's move over on the left-hand side now. So for the tail, just curving that up. And then from that point, we're going to curve this back, around, and in. And now we've finished Sonic. We're going to move over and draw in Mario. So where the nose is, leaving a gap, we're going to come across, and from Mario's nose, we're just going to curve this all the way around and then in. Let's draw in his mustache here. So we're going to curve this around and back up on the right. Now from that corner, curving this around and in. We're going to do the same from that point, curving this down, back up. Moving across again, curving that over. And then one more time, just arching that around and through towards the nose. Let's close off the chin here. So underneath, we're just going to curve this around and then up towards the right. And then we're going to close off the ear. So we're going to round this out, curving this over and down. Let's add a detail inside the ear now. So we're going to curve this line over towards the right. And then in the middle, we're just going to arch this line down. Now from here, for the top of the hat, we're going to curve this diagonal line coming over and out towards the left. On the top again, we're going to continue to round this out. So we're going to curve this out and then in. And then from the top here, we're just going to curve this down and up, leaving a gap for the hair. Let's close off the top of the head. We're going to round this out, bringing this down. Let's draw on the hair on the right-hand side, curving this out, around, and then in. And then again in the middle, curving this around, up and over towards that ear. Let's draw in the eyebrows now. So leaving a gap from the center, we're going to come up on the left-hand side as well as on the right. Our right eye is going to be bigger. Now moving underneath, on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming through on the side. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the hat and the side of the head. Let's draw in an oval underneath this now for the eye. I'm just going to curve this down towards the nose on the left. Now on the left-hand side for the pupil, we're going to curve this up and then back down. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to draw in an oval on the left corner. Let's draw in the highlight here. So on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. We're going to do the same on the right. And then we're just going to color that in black. Let's finish drawing in the rest of Mario's hat. So stepping in, we're going to curve this around, down towards the back. And then again, just curving this around and then in towards that ear. Let's draw in the symbol on the top. So we're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving that down. Let's draw in the letter M. So we're just going to draw in the letter M on the top, exactly how it is. And then we're going to step in again, making that smaller and just replicating that, drawing in our second letter M. And then we're just going to close that off on the bottom with a straight line on both sides. Now let's draw in the torso here. So we're going to curve this around and down. And then we're going to leave a small gap, curving that over. Let's draw in the overall straps here. So we're going to curve this out, up and in. We're going to move behind. We're going to bend this arm in the back. So we're going to curve this out and then through. Now from here for the second overall strap, we're just going to curve this down, up, and over towards the back. And then we're just going to close off the hair behind, curving that in. Let's draw in a circle, connecting that on the left-hand side. And then we're going to draw in a circle right in the middle. Now in the center, just drawing in a curved line from left to right. And now let's draw in our right arm. So stepping up, we're just going to curve this line down, ending that at the same distance. For the wrist, we're going to curve this line over and then down, connecting that line together. Let's close off the hand now. So starting on this top line, we're going to curve this around, bringing that up. For the pinky, curving this around and back in. Again, in the center, arching this over and through towards the middle. And then on the top here, we're just going to curve this around and down towards the top corner. We're going to close off the overalls here, curving this line out. And now let's draw in that left arm. So on the top, we're going to curve this line down. Coming underneath, we're going to curve that out, ending that at the same distance. We're going to close off the wrist, curving this around, down, and then back up. Now let's draw in the thumb. So stepping over, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from the middle again, we're going to curve this line around and back down on the side. For the pinky here, we're going to curve this out and up. Stepping over, curving that across, and then back in towards the top. Now let's draw in the leg. So we'll start on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this line out, down and in. Bending the knee on the top, we're just going to curve this around and down. Now starting back on this line, we're going to come in. We're going to curve this up, connecting that, bringing that down on the left-hand side. And then now from here, from left to right, we're just going to close that off with a curved line. Let's step up, again, closing that off, curving that over. Now from here, from the side, we're going to arch this line out. And then moving in behind, curving that over. Let's move across now for the front of the shoe, arching that around and down. And then we're going to join that together in the back with a curved line. And then now let's just close off the back, starting from that corner, connecting that together. From the side here, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. And then from that corner, we're going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Let's step up, replicating that, closing off the sole of the shoe. And then let's move up on Sonic's shoe. We're just going to curve this line in towards the top, back down on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Sonic versus Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.